Hi, this is Guld with Geeks On Tour and Learn Google Photos. And this video is about sharing photos from your Google Photos straight to Facebook. First, I'm going to show you on an Android, then on an iPhone, and then on the computer. So this is my Android Samsung phone. I open up Google Photos. And here you can see our photos. We went scuba diving the other day and got lobster. I want to send the picture of the lobster before and after he was made for dinner to my Facebook. So I select by long pressing the first one, select the second one, and then I tap the share button. Now I'm not going to share particular people. I'm going to share to an app, and you find Facebook, my news feed. Now, I don't want to share this to all my friends. I've already shared these, so I'm going to make it just to me. There is options there. I could also share it in a group or on a page, but I'm sharing it to my news feed, but only I will be able to see it. Shared using Android phone. Okay, and post. Next comes the iPhone and Google Photos. And because it's Google Photos, I have the same picture. There's the lobster before after just catching it, and there's the lobster on my plate. So I long press on the one, tap the other one. That is the share button on iPhone. And I have to say share to in order to find the Facebook app. And Facebook must be installed on your phone. And here once again I can change the privacy to be only me, and I will say something. Next. And here is where I could send it to a group instead of my news feed, but I have it sent just to only me, so that's fine. Tap share. And last, I want to show you on a computer. On a computer, I just go to photos.google.com, be sure I'm logged in with the same account, and I see the same pictures. There is the lobster, there's the lobster on the plate. Now, on the computer, there's a difference between sharing just one photo and sharing more than one. So, I want to just share this lobster first. I open it up, I click share, and I want to share it to Facebook and let anyone with the link see it. So it's going to create a link, but you'll see that they will be able to see this one photo without clicking a link. And I could share it in a group or on a page. I want to share it on my profile, but I do want it to be to only me, and post. Now, just to show you what I mean, I'm going to select two pictures, and I could select a dozen or 200 if I wanted to, and click share to Facebook, create link. Now let's go see what that looks like. Here I am in Facebook on my page, and here is the two photos using the computer. Notice I only see one. When you share more than one picture using the computer, you get the cover picture, and then when you click on it, you see all the photos that you had selected. Sharing one photo using the computer, you see that one photo. Shared using iPhone, I see two pictures, and shared using Android, I see two pictures. So that is how to share pictures from Google Photos to Facebook.